The PM of Biafra Republic government in exile, wey be Simon Ekwa, say that they have finally completely locked down Imo State. He also went ahead and said that many of the Nigerian army have been neutralized, as in they talk right now. Hello, my wonderful people. Let's go and find out how this thing take happen. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the first time we come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. No be smart, you know. As we they talk right now, they say that the Biafra Liberation Army have taken over. That's everywhere. Marama, nothing they happen. Say Imo State belong to Biafra. No be smart, you know. I will go play this video. May you listen. Waiting the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile talk for this video. And before we go come back and continue, stay tuned and watch the video.
I welcome every one of you. And I want to thank Biafrans today in Olu State, ƙiłł State, and Owerri State for a good start. I want to thank you all for living up to expectation. We successfully locked down Imo State today as a start for what is to come in the next 3 days. The delegitimization of Nigeria will start from Imo State. And I want everyone to understand that what we are doing is not because they are not going to announce somebody as a winner. We've already said Hope Uzodinma have written results since last year. It does not matter whether you offer yourself as a sacrificial lamb to be killed by Nigeria State in the name of Nigeria election. At the end of the day, Hope Uzodinma have written results. But what we are trying to prove to the world is that no Biafra will vote, yet they are going to announce somebody. And our fight will be increased and tightened to the highest level in the next few days. We are already fighting the liberation and the defense of Biafra land in Imo State. The fight will continue to get intense by the weeks, by the months, as the case may be. We are already capturing and delegitimizing Nigeria from Imo State with a landmine success. Our target is to make sure that every terrorist Nigerian army that comes to our land in Imo State to kill anybody will die there. Those who came from Saudi Arabia will never go back. It's a promise we are making to the Biafra people. Those who came from Saudi Arabia, they imported from Saudi Arabia to come to kill in the name of Islamic State, will never go back. So basically, we've recorded success today. And today they came to kill Biafrans in Imo State, in Olu to be precise. And like you all know, the Biafra Liberation Army, Biafra resistance fighters dealt with them, captured many of them alive. They will be telling the story, how they plan to kill Biafrans, and a lot of information will be extracted from them. It's happening like this. This is not the first time. But for everybody to understand that the defense of Biafrans, women and children is the #1 priority of the Biafra Republic government and the Biafra de facto government in the homeland. Defending our land, even when they come with fighter jet. Today, when they came with jet, they were spreading chemicals from the sky. The chemicals was coming down and was sparking fire and all that. We are still standing. The time we are going to respond to the chemicals that the Nigeria terrorist state is spreading in Biafra land, our own will come with a very big different dimension. You know, when we learn something, we learn, and we learn more than those who teach us. We've waited for them to come with this chemical, and today is the first day they spread chemical on Biafra soil. Biafra Liberation Army will respond to this chemical in a very ruthless way. the coming weeks. We've come to inform them we are prepared and we have waited for today. And many of them that came is now or are now in the custody of the Biafra Liberation Army. Every Biafran in Imo State, every Biafran in Owerri State, in Olu State, and in ƙiłł State must understand that this is a sacrifice that you have to make. If you want to sacrifice for one Nigeria, it is your choice. If you want to stay back in your home, live for your family, enjoy your life, and wait for Biafra, is the best choice and the better choice for every man, for every Biafran within these three states. But if you want to die for one Nigeria, it is also the choice you have made. So tomorrow is the easy way to die. Is for you to go out and let Nigeria kill you. The easiest way. You don't need to think twice. Just go and give yourself to Nigeria and they say, oh, Nigeria, this is me. Do with me however it pleases you. Opuzodema is a blood-sucking demon. He will be very, very happy to use you to do propaganda. So I'm just giving some of you who don't want to live anymore to go and give yourself to Nigeria. Nigeria have killed many of you and nobody have asked question about them. But we are asking question about the Biafrans that are unknowingly being killed by the Nigeria state. That is the reason we are fighting, to make sure our women and children are no longer being used as a sacrificial lamb for one Nigeria. We are asking question for our own people. But as a Nigerianist that you are, nobody will ask question about you. So just go tomorrow. It's an express way to hell. Because I believe nobody dies for Nigeria and go to heaven. You go to hell straight. You cannot be supporting an evil entity that have killed millions of people, and you think that God is going to allow you to go to heaven. You will never make heaven. You are going straight to hell. But we don't want our people to go to hell. We want our people to live. We want our people to understand that they have the right to defend themselves against the oppression, against the invasion of Nigeria state, against the terrorist Nigeria state, against the killings sponsored by the Nigeria Islamic State on our people. And that's what we're doing. And we're not stopping until the declaration of Biafra. Those of you who have found yourself in different positions, in different states, in the de facto government, remember, to whom much is given, much is expected. It's a privilege you have. If you find yourself serving Biafra in one position or the other in de facto government, it's a privilege given to you. Do not abuse it. Do not abuse it. When you abuse it, you are gone. Those who think that they have penetrated the Biafra government, and for that reason, they think they can sabotage what we're doing. They are nowhere to be found today. Many will still go. We have a way of dealing with Sabo. We don't treat them. We cut them off. There is no way Sabo can strive in this struggle that I am in charge. Never. Like I said before, you can betray me, but you will not succeed. Because I learned from what happened to other people. And you know, some of the idiots were sharing my video where I was responding to one journalist. They say he don't want to come. I don't want to come to Nigeria. Why do I want to come? Why should I come to Nigeria? Why do they want me to come to Nigeria? Somebody must pilot the affair of the liberation of Biafra. As if those in Biafra, they have actually dealt with them. Why are you not in Nigeria? Why are you there? Why? and you are not going to choose where I will stay and fight for the freedom of my people. The reason why I will not be in Nigeria and the reason why I will not go to Nigeria is because somebody needs to pilot the affair of the liberation of Biafra, which I am piloting at this point. So because they don't know what to do, they don't know how to bring me down, they want me to come to Nigeria. They think that when they say that, I will say, oh, okay, I will come to Nigeria. To hell with you. Nobody is going to Nigeria. I will be here and divide Nigeria and liberate Biafra. Whether you like it or not, it's going to happen in your own lifetime. So I welcome all of you. The reason for this space is to first of all appreciate Biafrans in ƙiłł state, in Olu state and Owerri state for today. Tomorrow will be more brutal. It's going to be very ruthless. We will make sure that Nigeria do not move from any place within Biafra territory, especially in Imo State. The delegitimization of the terrorist Nigeria, the killers of Biafra people have started. And like I said, the only thing you need to do now, if you are a Biafran, find yourself in Imo State, is to just obey and live for your family. Thank you, and I'll allow a couple of questions. Like you know, today is a breaking news. Many of the terrorists have been captured alive, and they are receiving a very good treatment from one of the world's best trained soldiers of the Biafra Liberation Army. I leave the Minister of Information and the Deputy here to take charge of bringing in questions and people to ask their question. Thank you very much. I will be here for like 45 minutes.
Thank you, Yaguni Chamber 1 of Biafra, the Prime Minister of the Biafran people. We salute your tenacity, your courage, your consistency, your determination and focus to liberate the Biafran people. The zoo must get it hot these few days. And thank you so much for this update, because this is what we had expected our armed forces of Biafra to do to the terrorists. And that which they have done. Biafran people, I wish to say thank you to all of you for making the soil and the ground of Biafra land to be viable, free and fair, and enabling to the Biafran armed forces to be able to do their work in a grand style. We preach and we call on all of you to stay indoors so that you wouldn't be a victim of any flying bullet. And that you've done. And today we've given you results. More and more are coming. Anyone contracted from the far Sahel down to Biafra land to come and kill you, rape our women and children, cut heads to pieces, and then extract our body organs, it is enough for them to come while we give them in 100-fold. So, we welcome you all. Bam, bam, bam. Say a word before we try bringing some other people in. Congratulations to the Biafran people for this remarkable success.
Thank you, my able Minister of Information, and my able Prime Minister. I remain loyal and humble to your leadership, and we appreciate you for leading us thus far. Even in the absence of our Supreme Leader, you have done for Biafrans so unbelievably well, and we are so glad you are leading us to El Dorado, which is our Canaan land, the land of the rising sun. And Biafrans are so grateful to Chukwuka for what you have done for us. And we are all happy to be here tonight. And my minister, please, I am going to be here as we will be bringing people in. I will be here to take out those that have spoken and then bring in the new guests. So just get busy and picking those that will be speaking, and I will be busy taking out those that have responded and those that will be coming in. Thank you, my minister. Let's go. Please raise up your hands if you are here and you want to ask questions. Please, 60 seconds to every question, and go straight to the point. And if you do not raise up your hand, you may not get priority. Thank you very much. We move.
Thank you, Wachineke. That has expressed it. Be concise with your question, because our PM is no nonsense PM, and it doesn't have much time to attend to silly questions. So go straight for important things that will bring something on the table. Don't ask us, why are you not in Nigeria again? He has explained to you. Ask us important questions. Prince Emi Solo, you have the mic.
Good evening, Biafrans. Good evening, my able PM. I really thank everybody, my able Minister of Information. I really thank our brothers in Imo State for their wonderful job, and our Biafra Liberation Army for their work well done. So I don't have a question, but I want to bring the attention of my PM. He just spoke about the facto government in Biafra land. I'm from Ohabeni State, and I would like my PM to help us from Ohabeni to talk to our administrator there. He don't want to work with the people. You approved. We are asking him a question, and he don't want to answer us. We want to join hands to create our counties, and he don't want to work with even his deputy. We had a meeting with our chief of staff last time. Chief of staff give him assignment, but still he couldn't.
First of all, this is not a place you will come and discuss that. Those who are in the executive knows where to channel. If there is any grievances, they know how to come to me and contact me. Not in a general discussion on Twitter. So if there is any issue in Ohabeni State, the executive of Ohabeni de facto knows how to communicate me through the COS or directly to me. They have my contact. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, we go over to Anthony Great. Anthony Great, you have the mic. Anthony Great, ready?
Yeah, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Okay, fire on, please.
Yeah, good afternoon, Mr. Honorable Prime Minister. My question is pertaining national security and capital flight. Is there any way we can implement a law that pertains to people bringing hard currency to the country? They change it at the airport before taking it into Biafra.
This is not the issue. This is not a very important issue at this point. We are not talking about the currency. We don't have our currency at this point, but we are working on having our digital currency, which is going to be Biafra coin. And when we implement that, people can now begin to do their transaction in Biafra currency. We are working on that. So, but for now, that is not our main priority. Our main priority is to make sure that the Biafra de facto government is functional, capturing the entire Biafra territory, making sure that every position is occupied, and from there we move to the next stage. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that program organized by the PM will be Simon Ekwa, Biafra government in exile. No be smart, and I don't hear that wait to explain of things where they happen and the things where they go do for their own government. No be smart. Now say move bring and come show on and see the follow up of waiting they happen. No be smart. I baby try to share this video and also leave your own opinion in comment section as it they hot. Okay, now we'll quickly see you for the next update. We dey here today bring you update as it dey hot. Or I may share the video.